So we just did a little upgrade on the solar panel setup here. I went and got some 8-gauge wire over at Home Depot, put a switch on it, hooked it up over here. So I think we're going to get a little more power out of this, and it's a little more confidence inspiring as far as, is this thing going to blow up or not. Let's see, this, let me stick these guys on here. So that's showing us about 68 volts coming into this. This is February 1st. Let's check the temperature on the inside. This thing's been just sitting here being cold. Yeah. I would imagine it's very warm. Let's see. Looks like we're about at 60 degrees. And so we should just barely be starting to get some warmth in there around that element. You can see the element down there, so we'll come check it here in a few hours.